Hey guys, this is Asim Habib. I hope you are doing well. So in this tutorial I will show you how to draw any letters logo and polygon in circle. So first of all, take a segment tool and draw a line, and now take the copy of this line. So drag and press Alt and Shift. And now repeat this step with Ctrl D. Press Ctrl D and repeat this step. Now select all the lines and adjust a little bit. Now take ellipse tool and draw a circle in the middle. Okay. Now select all and make it a line. Now just select the lines, right click and go to transform and reflect, and go with 135 angle. 135 and press copy. Okay, now just select the circle. Just select the circle and go to edit and copy. Again go to edit and paste in place. Okay, now adjust the circle, small the circle. Okay, now select all and take shape builder tool and convert stroke into fill. Okay, now do it. Okay, do this very careful. Okay, because if you do any mistake, so the output will be very bad. So that's why do this very carefully. Okay, by the way, if you do any mistakes, so just press Ctrl Z. Okay, it's undo. Okay, now select this shape and drag it, and now select these lines and delete. Press delete. Okay, so make it group and now make it a line. Go to effects stylize drop shadow, and opacity take you 50 and just press OK. Of the stroke, and now change the color. If you like any color, so keep that. Okay guys, so if you like more tutorials like this, so do subscribe for more updates. Thank you very much.